Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 trip computer. This is video 61 in my series of XK8 videos, and this video I'm going to show you how to work the trip computer and how the trip computer works and how to reset it. I'm doing this video because it took me a while to work out how to reset it. When you read the manual it's dead easy, but it's not something that's intuitive. If you're actually interested in Jaguar XK8 videos, I'd like to kindly suggest you subscribe to my channel. It's exclusively Jaguar XK8 X100 related. You can do this by pressing the subscribe rectangle below the video, clicking the bell to be reminded when new videos come out. And if you do like the video, please press the thumbs up at the bottom or the thumbs down if you dislike it. Share the videos, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the bottom. So every XK8 comes with a trip computer, which gets the readout. It comes here in the information screen below the speedo, and you actually can flick through the trip settings with the end of the left-hand stalk or the indicator stalk. There's a little trip button. Now, if you press that, it will toggle through the information. So you have the miles of that particular trip, the range, the fuel used, average fuel used or miles per gallon, the instant miles per gallon, the average speed, and back to the miles, the odometer reading, the mileage of the car. Now there is a separate information panel up here, and to explain what this is, you have two trips. You've got A and B. So if you press that, it will flip to trip B. If I just come up here and press the button, there you go to trip B, and I can also press the kilometer button and it will change to kilometers. Now if I press the 000 button, it will actually zero. You have to press it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And if I toggle through, the range is still the same, but the gallons, the average fuel, instant fuel, average speed, etc. is corrected. So for now I'll do that. Now for the A trip, I'm not going to zero that. The other button on here is actually the clear. And that is actually message clear, not clear the readings. So if I just wait a second, I'll open my door just to get a message. Right, I've got driver's door open now. So if I press that clear button, it will clear the message. And you get back to flicking through the trip. So that's how the fuel computer works, or the trip computer. So the clear button clears messages. The 00 is actually the reset button, but it only works when you press it for 3 seconds. You got miles and kilometers and the A or B trip. And obviously the function button is on the end of the indicator stalk. And that's how the trip computer works. Okay, so I'm going to run through basically the same information with the aid of the operator manual for the car. So the driver information, messages and data are displayed on the message center display panel situated within the speedo, as I've shown you in the video, the part of the video before. The message center has 3 functions: the odometer, the trip computer, and the warning and information messages. Selecting message center functions are selected by repeatedly pressing the function button on the left-hand column switch or indicator stalk. The first press will switch from the odometer reading to the trip computer. Further presses will then cycle through the trip computer data until the odometer reading is displayed again. So go back to the beginning. Messages will take priority over the odometer reading or trip data computer or trip computer data and will be displayed when the ignition is switched on. The odometer, when the ignition is switched on, the message center displays the odometer reading. The odometer will be displayed if the ignition is in position 0, i.e. the ignition's off, if the interior lights are on. That's a bit of a strange one, but there you go. The odometer reading is displayed in either kilometers or miles, depending on the vehicle's market specification. A vehicle with the speedometer marked in kilometers per hour, for example, gives the odometer reading in kilometers. Sounds obvious? The computer memory stores data for a journey or series of journey until it's reset to 0. Two independent memories are available, A and B, to allow two separate journeys to be recorded concurrently. All trip data displayed, apart from range and instantaneous, will be prefixed by a letter A or B, depending on which trip memory was selected. The information is for guidance only, as it can be affected by traffic, road and weather conditions. To display trip data on the message center, the ignition must be in the position 2. Press the function button repeatedly to display the data in the following order: odometer, trip distance, range, fuel used, average fuel used, instantaneous fuel, and average speed. Now this is the bit that caused me some confusion. It might sound a bit stupid, but how to reset the trip. It isn't the clear button, it's the 000 button. So the trip computer switch pack, this little round set of switches, 000 resets the selected trip to 0. The A and B, obviously toggles between trip A and trip B. MLKM selects between metric and imperial data and languages. The clear clears all the warning information and messages because they normally have priority, and the clear button will actually give the priority to the trip data. However, you need to clear every message. So each time it has a message, you'll need another clear. So it'll clear the messages, it won't fix your problems. So if you've got lots of problems, normally battery related, the clear button will clear them off the screen, but it won't fix or correct any problems. Setting the trip computer then, at the start of a journey or a series of journeys to be recorded, reset the computer memory to 0 as follows. So make sure you know which trip you want to do, A or B, select that, and then pressing the 000 switch and hold it for 3 seconds, the display will read trip reset, and then it only resets actually until it has 0.0. So the 3 seconds is the key thing. It's not immediately obvious as you're going down the road at 20 or 30 miles an hour to keep your button on for 3 seconds, but that's what's needed. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully that helps you to use your trip computer, as I'm going to start doing now I know how to reset it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.